Marine Operational Test and Evaluation Squadron 1 conducts operational test and evaluation on Marine Corps aircraft, weapons, and command and control systems under Title 10 U.S. Code. VMX-1 also develops and refines tactics, techniques, and procedures for those weapon systems for the Fleet Marine Forces.
So today we flew a single CH-53K in an internal cargo and an external cargo configuration. The internal cargo configuration consisted of a 12 to 18,000 pound load that we would fly to a mountainous environment, and then we would come back and then restage for another mission profile of external lift operations for a light load, which is a truck variant of a CH-53K brings heavier lift capacity. We can integrate with the other aircraft on the battlefield, but it's also a next generation helicopter compared to the CH-53 Echo. It's been referred to in our detachment that this aircraft is the next generation of the sole support for the Marine Corps. Other configurations of internal cargo, external cargo, and troop lift. Those three test vignettes that we do rotate throughout the week in whether it's desert, mountainous, day, or night. And the purpose of that is to be able to operational test the plane. The biggest thing that I've noticed in this helicopter is that it still performs very well. It increases the situational awareness of the pilots. We can take this aircraft in low light conditions and land in the dust environment and still land safely, effectively every single time. That's not common in the 53 Echo. That is bound by reps, sets, and proficiency of pilots to be able to safely and effectively do that every time.
VMX-1 CH-53 KDET was conducting initial operational test and evaluation when we received a phone call from the Naval Safety Center to assist with the recovery of a U.S. Navy MH-60 that had gone down at 12,000 feet near Bishop, California. This opportunity fit perfectly into the context of initial operational test and evaluation of the CH-53K. This lift was made possible by planners at all levels in VMX-1, 1st Landing Support Battalion, NAS Fallon Maintenance and their Search and Rescue Team, as well as the Marine Corps Heavy Lift Program Office, PMA 261.
The big difference with the Kilo is that the engines are so much more powerful that up at those high altitudes, they can still produce the torque required to lift heavy loads without having a lot of decrease in their power output. Lieutenant Colonel Bakhta and I, we were hovering in the canyon. We had canyon walls about 50 to 80 feet on either side of the rotor tip path, 12,000 feet elevation. brings a capability to the Marine Corps that it has never seen before, and to the DoD. I don't think any other aircraft from the DoD could have executed this lift with as heavy and as high as it was, let alone how safely we were able to do it.